Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nadia Pets Cross. In this video, I'll be talking about the visual gender identification of blue gold macaw. Blue gold macaws are one of the most popular pet breeds in the world. They belong to continental Australia and they are known for their skirting blue and gold feathers and their intelligent, affectionate personalities. However, one thing that many people may not knowing is that it can be difficult to determine the gender of a blue gold macaw just by looking at them. Unlike some other bird species where males and females have distinct physical differences, male and female blue gold macaws look very similar. However, there are few subtle visual clues that can help you determine the gender of your bird. The first thing to look at is the size of the bird. Male blue gold macaws tend to be slightly larger than females. With longer beaks and bigger feet they have, this is not a foolproof method, as there can be individual variation in size, but it's a good starting point. Another thing to look at is the color of the bird's eyes. Male blue gold macaws have slightly darker eyes than females, which can be a useful clue. Finally, you can try to observe the bird's behavior. Male blue gold macaws are often more vocal and outgoing than females, while females can be more reserved and shy. Of course, the most accurate way to determine the gender of your blue gold macaw is through DNA testing. This involves taking a small blood sample from your bird and sending it to a laboratory for analysis. While this may not be necessary for all pet owners, it can be useful if you are planning to breed your macaws or if you are curious about their genetic makeup. So there you have it, some tips on how to visually identify the gender of your blue gold macaw. I hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more pet related content. Thank you very much.